We are going to use a front model to demonstrate how to disassemble motor partially. Remove the screws and spacer from the motor cover. Separate the rim and the motor core. Remove the motor cover. You can see some accessories inside this motor. The other side is gear motor clutch with nylon gear. Here is the whole sensor board and some connecting wires and couple wires. And to remove the nylon gear assembly, you need to use spring pliers to remove the snap ring. When installing the gear motor clutch, you need to turn the gear set slightly and press firmly. Use spring pliers to install the snap ring. Install the motor cover and put the whole assembly back. Install the screws and spacers. So that's the quick video for disassembling and reassembling an easy cant to it. Thanks for watching your easy motor disassembly video.